Okay, let's get back on the 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, I'll kick off 5-minute auto pairing. Thought I'd mix it up a bit on the channel. While we're waiting, watch the title player again. Seems to be a bit of a wait Saturday morning. Okay, Zong. Is he playing? Grip on the dark squares, D4 and C5. I think Queen's Pawn is that a liability here. Where's Zong anyway? Zhang Zong. Okay. Okay, echeck. I think, what about an open Sicilian? I fancy an open Sicilian casting queenside, really. Whatever happens, it's going to be, Alright, it's going to go for some sort of trap line or knight f6 and horrible stuff. Play f3 here. We play bishop e7. Queen d2, as well. I'm going to maybe consider g4 if bishop e7. Waiting move like f3. What would he do? We'll just castle anyway. Let's just do it. If he doesn't want to castle, he doesn't castle. Play bishop b5, maybe. Bishop f3. I think f3. Okay, so knight a4 is an awkward move, maybe to play, but knight b6, knight c5 tactically. Going to be, I could play c3 and rook c1 later, so I think king b1 for c3. He's a bit ahead on the clock here by about 30 seconds. It's going to be, I'm just offered this sitting target, okay. On a4, I could take on a6 maybe if bishop d7. Oh, he's just blundered his queen. Oh, sorry. I think he was better actually after bishop. I don't think I misplayed this. He got a bit overexcited. Oh well. Sorry. I don't know. What can I say? Yeah, if you want to leave comments or questions on YouTube, thanks so much.